Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to watch shows on Peacock TV. To watch shows on Peacock TV, first of all open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in peacocktv.com and search. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to sign up for a Peacock TV account. You can sign up for a free or a premium account. After signing into your account, go ahead and click on the search icon at the top right hand corner. Now, search by title, genre, or the name of the actor, or even live event. Type in the name of the show that you are trying to watch. You can also go ahead and click on the TV show option at the top from the main home page, and then it'll show you a list of TV shows you can watch from. Meanwhile, you can also use the search icon at the top right and type in the name of the TV show that you are trying to watch on Peacock TV. After looking for the TV show in the search result, go ahead and click it open, and you will then be able to watch TV shows on Peacock TV. Go ahead and choose the episodes that you want to watch and start playing. So that is how you can easily watch shows on Peacock TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.